A Pacific Heights house asked $7.5 million and closed at $12 million, 60% over. That is the sharpest number in episode 1. Today, we have 2 San Francisco headlines: the finding that connected our Proposition 13 and agent selection work, and 3 weekend doors. Stay for the Noe Valley home, whose 4-bedroom pitch runs into a 3-bedroom record. First, The Real Deal reported that 3140 Pacific Avenue, a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home of about 4,000 square feet, received 6 offers and closed July 22nd for $12 million, $4.5 million above its ask. The sellers had paid $3.9 million in 2002. What it means, the list price became an auction entry, not a valuation. Still, 6 offers and 1 sale are anecdotal, not a Pacific Heights trend. For sellers, the result shows how a deliberate launch price can widen attention, without proving that every comparable deserves the same premium. This hits luxury buyers who anchor to the ask. The useful ceiling comes from comparable outcomes, condition, and the price at which losing is cheaper than winning. Second, The Real Deal reported that more San Francisco owners are testing their sell now numbers. Their figures, with no sample published in the article, put the city's median home value up 25% year over year, million-dollar-plus overbids up 1,700%, and off-market sales up 70%. One hesitant seller wanted $4 million without staging or moving out, and accepted $4.3 million. The read is that scarcity can pull reluctant inventory forward, especially off-market. That hits long-held sellers weighing a life change, and buyers who search only public listings. Both sides need to separate a seller's dream number from a defensible transaction range. The bigger question is why an owner with a huge gain may still stay put, and that is where our channel work changed the read. We studied 2 questions: how Proposition 13 locks inventory, and how to select an agent from outcomes instead of advertisements. The surprise is that both punish anyone who trusts the visible number. In Parkside, our analysis found a median assessed value of about $567,000 against a median sale price near $1.6 million, with a median ownership period of 22 years. 55% of owners had held more than 2 decades. A sale generally resets the buyer's taxable value, so a sell now price must clear more than emotion. On the agent side, a 26-day sale can still be a second attempt after 6 failed months. Our method reconstructs the owner's first listing, reductions, and original list-to-sale gap before ranking performance. That reconstruction is what we run every week. Subscribe, and the next one finds you. Now, let us use it on the doors. We picked 3 doors for Saturday the 1st and Sunday the 2nd of August. South of Market, Noe Valley, and Sherwood Forest. Full times and the route are in the description and on our website. 447 Lansdale asks $1,239,000 for an original 1956 mid-century with views, a 2-car garage, and a private garden. It is new, 5 days, no relist, about $855 a foot, and no purchase basis in our file. The view is the lever. Our call is renovation opportunity. First, verify the disclosed $3,480 dry rot and beetle estimate. 720 Clementina sells a 6-car garage, elevator, terraces, and skyline views for just under $3.8 million. Our history shows 4 cycles since September 2024, 3 relists, 693 days of true age, and a cut near 16%. The public clock shows 56 days, stage makeup for a long campaign. No purchase basis appears in our file. Garage capacity is the lever. We are verifying the current living area against older claims, plus bedroom count and outdoor permits. 1613 Church asks $4,750,000 for radiant heat, owned solar, a roof deck, garden, and more than 3,000 square feet. We anchor the history to the current owner's $4,250,000 purchase in July 2019. Older cycles belong to the prior seller, so this owner has 0 relists and 10 days on market. The ask is about 12% above cost before selling expenses. Here is the paradox. Marketing counts 4 bedrooms. The property record counts 3. Noe Valley space and views are the lever. We are verifying the 4th bedroom and lower level use. The listing has politely assigned that homework to the buyer. Next Thursday, we do it all again. Fresh San Francisco and Bay Area headlines, the community that won your vote, and the surprises we found behind these doors. Watching before the weekend? Grab the route on our website and walk it for yourself. Watching after? Stay close. The walkthroughs, the grades, and the lessons are coming. Subscribe now and do not miss the next weekly digest. What does Big Data Realty offer you? Everything you heard is the discipline we apply to a live deal. We evaluate the full agent field on true days to pending, reductions, and original list to sale outcomes, benchmarked to the same market, price band, property type, and your goal. Then we stay as your analyst for offer strategy, pricing, counters, and holds while the agent runs the transaction. See how it works on our website. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers. You make the call.